I'm super excited because PlantStrong sent me some of their products to sample and try and share with you. So let's unbox these packages that they sent. This is the first in a series of PlantStrong product reviews that I'm going to be doing. So today we're going to be focusing on their breakfast items. But if you're not familiar with PlantStrong, basically what this is a whole food, plant-based food product company that is super great because they were started actually by the son of a very famous whole food plant-based doctor. The son's name is Rip Esselstyn, and he's actually a former firefighter, and he has a big appetite, and he eats a solely plant-based whole food diet. And all of their products are awesome because they are certified organic, and they have zero added oils and zero added sugar. They're made with whole grain and fiber packed ingredients. They have so many great options, and what I love about their products is basically you have very little effort. Most of them are basically open, heat, and serve. Some of them are just mix water together to make pancakes or things like burger patties and meatballs. But let's check out what they sent me for this package. All right, one of the products that they were first very known for was Rip's granola. He says that this is like a staple in his diet. It's called Rip's Big Bowl. He has several flavors here: berry almond, banana walnut, and date and raisin. And these are packed with fiber and plant-based protein as well. One serving has 7 grams of protein. There's zero added sugar. It's sweetened with dates, and the ingredients are basically rolled oats, whole wheat flakes, shredded wheat, and some really great flavors like berries and strawberries. They do fortify their products, but I have found that actually when they fortify it with things like vitamin D, they're actually using better quality vitamins than a lot of the other fortification products on the market, so I do really appreciate that. They also have a whole line of plant-based milks to go along with these granolas, and then they also have other things like pancake mixes, and I'm hoping to share some of those in follow-up videos. All of their products are actually perfect for Daniel fasting. If you've seen any of my other content, you know that I love Daniel fasting, which is basically a whole food plant-based fast where you don't consume any added sugar, no leavening, and things like that. So pretty much all of their products, except for maybe the pancake mixes that have leavening, are perfect for a Daniel fast. So what I love about this is that actually if you want to do a Daniel fast or even just kickstarting a plant-based healthy diet, then actually all of their products make it super easy because you don't have to really think so much about cooking. Honestly, the cooking is such a big part of starting a plant-based diet, and there's so much like chatter out there about how to cook a plant-based meal and stuff like that. But honestly, if you're just starting off, or especially if you're doing a Daniel fast, I think taking cooking out of it is probably a really good solution, especially in the beginning. So you can just start by, eating foods that. And then in terms of plant-based milks, these are probably the only ones on the market that I've seen that are either unsweetened or sweetened with something like dates instead of added sugar. A lot of the other milks are sweetened with sugar, so that's probably just not a good solution. I usually buy unsweetened milk. And then they have different combinations like oat and almond, plain unsweetened almond, oat and walnut, and then unsweetened oat. Now these ones are not certified organic, but they are non-GMO verified and they're vegan verified. Well, I hope this review was helpful for you. Be sure to check out my follow-up videos where I share taste testing and some meal ideas using the PlantStrong products. Be sure to like this video and also check out my links below in the description of where you can purchase these online. And I have them all shared on my Amazon storefront. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.